Hi to all my life science friends and coffee buddy community. What a wonderful group of people you are. And we're moving through the next phase of doing lots of events in the next coming months. Young Graham is working hard. I've seen him spending hours on his computer working out these algorithms. And of course we all know what that does. And the next couple of months is going to be really exciting. We've decided we're going to be doing a theme per month, and this month's theme is very much been on cell and gene therapy, and I hope you all enjoyed that. I certainly did. There was some really interesting discussion from very, very good people, and I put out a big thank you to all those who either came or were part of the group that talked. And then we had, on Friday, we had the great Max Herman, who did a lovely synopsis of JP Morgan, and very much focusing that the thing that's come in is RNAi. And those of us who really believed in it over years are delighted with this. But it's going to change the way we look at drug development. I think it's going to be interesting how that works. And after that, we've got a lot of other interesting things that we're planning. We're very enthusiastic about getting people to work on the Mighty Network app. It's not for us, it's for you lot, and we want you to maybe post things, events that you're doing, speaking that you want to do, your own videos, anything to get the community moving. And of course, please invite new members. It's free. It's all about keeping the people together, and we all know that this is going to be with us for a while. So I know even when we go back to some form of normality, what is normality is a very interesting question, but when we do go back to some sort of normality, we will be still working like this and doing this sort of work because we've seen it so effective, and we're all imagining it'll be a hybrid. But we're also looking forward to those days when we meet each other, and that's what it's all about. So fantastic. Thanks again very much for your support and your involvement. We're very appreciative, and keep going. Bye for now. Ciao, ciao.